How to back up your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to Google Cloud. If you own a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, your phone may be set up to use Samsung Cloud services by default. However, if you'd rather back up your data to Google Cloud using your Google account, here's how to do it. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Scroll down and tap Accounts and Backup. Under the Google Drive section, tap Backup Data or Backup by Google One, depending on your software version. Here, you'll see the option to back up your device data to Google Cloud. Tap on Photos and Videos. Toggle on Backup Photos and Videos in your camera folder to your phone to back up it using Google Photos app. Go back and tap Other Device Data. You can also choose what data gets backed up. This typically includes apps and app data, SMS and MMS messages, call history, device settings, backup contacts, Wi-Fi passwords, other supported device data. For your photos and videos, make sure backup in Google Photos is enabled. This will automatically upload your photos and videos to your Google account, helping keep them safe and accessible across all your devices. Once you're ready, go back and tap Backup Now button. Your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will begin backing up your data to Google Cloud. Depending on the amount of data you have, the process may take a few minutes. After the backup is complete, your important data will be safely stored in your Google account and can be restored whenever you set up a new device or reset your phone. And that's how you can back up your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to Google Cloud using Google One. Thanks for watching.